Hey, okay. So these tutorials are just for fun and for friends, so I'm not gonna edit these because honestly, it's just for fun. Like I said, I don't feel like editing these. Anyway, so basically, I'm gonna be showing my CC, or you could call it color isolation. There's two ways of doing it, but I'm gonna just show you one way because it's the way I usually do it. Um, so yeah. So basically, color isolation is like when you take away almost all the colors but leave one or two certain colors into the edit. And it's kind of like a trend now. So, yeah. So here's the way I do it. It's basically a plugin called Leave Color. And I'm just using Chainsaw Man panel just for example. I'm going to make it full for you guys. Okay. So you see this. You want to click the eyedropper. You want to click the color you want to appear, and everything else will just turn gray or black. It doesn't either matter, but just like it makes the color you want pop out. So I'm gonna say I want the red color to pop out, and then you're gonna bring it all the way to 100. As you can see, there's like these dots. You kind of have to mess around with the settings. Like I've been mostly play with the tolerance. Edge softness will just bring out any other random color, like the color that is related to the red. Like as you can see, the orange is popping out, kind of like that. Um, anyways, yeah. So that's example for that panel. Um, like I said, that's the only method I can show you. In the next video, I could do a another way on how you could do it with the magic bullet looks. Basically, you're just gonna need one effect, but I like to add stuff in there. So, as you can see, the colors are popping out, and you see those splotches. I'm just going to fix that. Yeah, that's basically how I do my color isolation or my apparently CC. So, I hope it was helpful. Bye.